Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto prank. So let's see what happens here. Oh, it's giving me back the pawn. Interesting. Very quick. Girome. Very quick. A bit of dynamic play. Maybe I'm looking optimistically. Is he going to double over here as well? I'm looking that it strengthens the center. So this one activates the A rook, and this one might strengthen my center. Looking optimistically at those aspects, the upsides. Does he want to take on F3? There's also a light square bishop, which could be handy, of course. No. Actually, H5 would have been interesting just then. I think I missed the shot. Come on, let's not play too quickly. H5 would have been good. Come on, there's a weakness of the last move. H5. Again, he's laying it, but I've got to move this pawn now. There's no knight b4, is there? Right, H5 here. Is he really going to weaken the light squares? Apparently he is. I wouldn't mind him taking there necessarily. Okay, is knight d4 any good? This is a very fast-paced game. We're both playing too quickly, I think. Yeah, there's knight c6. If I play g3 for f4, g4, I think rook h4. I want to play f4 and use this g file, maybe. Okay. Do I want to keep the bishop pair? Probably I do, actually. Yeah, I want to keep the bishop pair. I want to play f4. That's annoying. Do I play f4 anyway? d4, bishop d2. Possibly. Bishop d2 here. On d4 it looks great, but bishop d2, initially it looks great. After bishop d2, oh, he's got knight b4, hasn't he? Takes, knight b4, but he's opening up the g file. Takes, knight b4, okay. Being tactically, am I going to be tactically outdone? I guess he's going to play it. Maybe I was hoping he wasn't going to play it. Let's pin that guy. Is there on the cards bishop f3 here, actually? If he plays king h8, bishop f3. Isn't that interesting? If knight c3, there's rook g7. I'll have to protect d2. What about c4 losing the exchange? It's probably not entirely clever. Is there anything more sensible? This one for e7. Right, now I play c4. He's got the check. Okay, he's got that check. Play here then. Do I ever get to play c4? Apparently not. If I double. It's getting scary now. I'm losing all my bits. I'm losing all my bits. If only I could take on b7 if he gives me a chance. He's not going to. This check over here is really annoying. Oh, I've got nothing, have I? It's munched me to death. Oh, he's got bishop d4.
Check.
Ends the game. Put the exchange up now. This guy is a real munchkin. He's done this before to me. He just munched me to death.
Check.
Ugh. Jeez, man. Ugh. Oh, man. What a sad, sad game. h5. The engine likes h5 here as well. h5. Probably not knight f5 actually. Yeah. So what happens here? It's slightly different. No, this is apparently this was great up to this point. Bishop b6. Probably I'll start asking for trouble. Laying d4. Yeah, bishop c5. Yeah, this is extending the bishop. It's logical. Yeah. It's not, I don't think this is pleasant, particularly this position. Going into contortions. Yeah, his rooks are just beautifully placed. It's over effectively. Over. Yeah, I think once he won that pawn, everything's beautifully coordinated. Oh well. Comments, questions, likes, appreciated. Thanks so much.